Hello everyone, Ben here from SGFishingRigz, and today me, Heikel, Harif and the legendary Lucas went over to the one and only Passeris Beach. We also had an awesome offshore trip the next day with the one and only Captain Iskander at the Southern Islands. We were going to be using the multi-species bottom hunter rig, and I'll be showing you guys some footage of that. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to be showing you all about the SGFishingRigz multi-species double hunter. This rig targets a wide range of species, and it's best used with baits like what, peeled prawns and sandworms. It's ideal for jetty, shore and boat environments, and it comes in 15 pounds and 25 pounds from hook sizes 1 to 6. So let me show you how you can actually use this rig. So this rig is designed with two separate loops, one at the top to clip onto your line, one at the bottom to clip onto your weight right there. So one loop is bigger than the other, and the bigger loop is meant for the weight in case you guys want to use slightly bigger weights. Next we have two simple T-knots with sizes 1 to 6 hooks. I recommend using the size 6 as it's the most versatile out of all of them. You can use these from the jetty, from the shore, even on boat. So let me show you how you can cast this guy out. Due to the uniformity of this rig, you can cast very, very, very far, since it's just nothing is trailing behind. So what you have to do is put it behind you and bang. That was absolutely full a second ago. All my line is gone. You can cast extremely far. Some of the fish that you can target with this would be some of the Pomfret that swim around here, whiting, some of the emperors that swim around here. Generally all the smaller fish you can generally target with here. You can also target those golden snappers, Mangrove Jack. So those are some of the better species and more targeted species you can do with this rig. There's many other things you can target, so let's show you if it actually works. Alright, so we casted a few multi-species rigs. Harif actually went to the other side and caught a barramundi on his customized mustard jig head. Ooh.
Whoop. Come on. Ah, you can jump on that. I got this one. Oh, this is right. Shit.
Good job. Dude.
Finally, the tide had turned and we were getting loads and loads of hits on our multi-species bottom hunters. A buddy of mine, Roy, was also using the rig on a kayak. I gave him a call and he was also getting amazing results on the rig. It was a really awesome day fishing for not only us, but Roy as well. But suddenly... the police showed up. We were shocked. Did we do something wrong? Turns out it was just a regular routine police check. We had a really nice conversation afterwards all about fishing, and they were asking us about our catch. Don't be alarmed if this ever happens to you. They're really friendly people. Just as we were about to get back to fishing, it started raining super heavily. Heiko, Lucas and I had to pack up as we had to rest and wake up early to prepare for our offshore the next morning. Okay, right now it is 4:46 in the morning. Today we have our offshore. We're going to be going on Iskandar's boat. I've got a few things that I have to quickly pack in the bag. So today we're mainly going to be using the multi-species bottom hunter. Luckily I did pack a few since we're out of stock. I'm going to be definitely chucking this guy in the bag. I'm going to be trying that. I'm going to grab some snaps right here. Of course, you need to bring some snaps on your offshore trips. Going to be trying out these new bucktails that we have as like a tenya. Giving this a go. It's so heavy I can even use it as a tenya, and it has a prawn keeper on there. And what else? I think that's pretty much. Oh, gonna take all the sinkers. Lucas, Heiko, come on, we're going.
You dropped something, Ben. You dropped something else.
Everyone, my name is Benjamin Bright.
Okay, so actually today it's the last day we can like go offshore. It's Wednesday, so Thursday is finally like the 2 people thing. You can still go offshore, but it's a bit stupid to go. So today will be the final day you can really go. People are already on the waiting there for their own boat trips. We're waiting for our captain to come. Our prawns are coming. We're just setting up all our stuff. We're probably gonna pre-do our rigs and put our rods together, so the second we hop on the boat we're pretty much good to go, and we'll show you a little bit of B-roll when that happens. Okay, so I'm getting my rods ready. I put the line through all the guides. Just gonna attach the, what are these called, the coast lock snaps. There you go, nice and strong, small little snaps to prevent my line from spinning in the water. Just gonna tie simple uni to it, just attach it so I can attach my rigs more easily. I'll get my rig set up. I won't put the sinker on yet, so while we're traveling, the sinker doesn't spin around the rig. So let's see how it goes.
So Lucas, what setup are you going to be using today?
So today I'll be using the Shimano Cruiser, as you can see here, one of our boat rods in our shop, paired up with my Daiwa RX LT size 3000. And I'll also be using my the beginner setup Aqua X.
If I'm not wrong, it's called a squirrel fish. we've come to the end of our video. Today was quite an eventful day, I would say. The current wasn't moving very fast, so we changed. Instead of targeting, big fish and using our heavy duty singular polos and our offshore bottom hunters and our valley bottom polo, we decided to move over to the multi-species bottom hunter, as we were catching quite a lot of fish on that, and we actually got some decent sized fish on that, and it's quite a cool multi-species day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and saw kind of in different situations how different rigs are better than others. So next time you guys are going for your offshore, make sure you guys pack up loads of different types of rigs, one with a shorter snood, one with a longer snood, one with a super long snood, and some just for the small fish when the other fish are not really biting. So you guys can check us out on our multiple pages, and I'll see you guys in the next one.